Murder attempt to hide the truth. The nation is in shock as whispers of a deadly cover up swirl around beloved actor Kim Soo-hyun. Could the star of countless dramas be hiding a terrifying secret? As police launch a full scale investigation into an alleged attempted murder tied to the Kim Se-ron scandal, the truth may be more explosive than anyone imagined. Join Red Carpet Revealed as we uncover the dark layers of this gripping case right now. In a shocking twist that has left the South Korean entertainment industry reeling, actor Kim Soo-hyun, once regarded as the face of Korea's clean-cut celebrity culture, is now at the heart of an explosive and deeply disturbing case involving an attempted murder, a secret whistleblower, and a hidden recording that threatens to unravel everything. The scandal began to brew quietly whispers of a secret tape rumors that Kim Se-ron had confessed damaging secrets to someone she trusted and murmurs that that person had become a target. But no one could have predicted just how quickly it would escalate into a brutal international incident involving bloodshed cover-ups and federal investigations. Now, with shocking new evidence brought to light in an emergency press conference, the story has become a national emergency and all eyes are on Kim Soo-hyun, a blood-soaked message whistleblower, nearly killed in New Jersey on May 2nd at approximately 10:38 p.m. Local time, a man identified only as Mr. K, a key informant in the ongoing investigation surrounding actress Kim Se-ron, was viciously attacked outside his residence in New Jersey. According to police and witnesses, two masked individuals assaulted Mr. K with a knife, stabbing him 9 times in the neck before fleeing the scene on a stolen motorcycle. The attack was swift, calculated, and eerily professional. Miraculously, Mr. K survived the attempt on his life and is now under hospital care in critical condition. But it wasn't just his injuries that shocked authorities. It was what he was holding when they found him: a heavily protected USB drive and several pages of notes referencing a 5-minute voice recording. A recording that, as revealed days later, features Kim Se-ron speaking openly about her suffering, her fears, and Kim Soo-hyun. The person who tormented me the most was Kim Soo-hyun. Those were the words that reportedly echoed throughout the secret 5-minute conversation between Kim Se-ron and Mr. K. The recording, made on January 10th, 2024, during a private meeting in the United States, was conducted with Kim Se-ron's full consent. She was aware she was being recorded and allegedly stated that she wanted the truth to be documented in case something happened. In the conversation, Kim Se-ron reportedly recounts the psychological manipulation and coercion she endured not only from agency figures and legal representatives, but also from someone she once considered a close colleague, Kim Soo-hyun. Though the exact context of her statements has yet to be publicly released, insiders claim that the actress detailed threats, power abuse, and an orchestrated effort to keep her silent during the unfolding of her own legal scandal. On May 7th, Kim's son, head of the conservative media platform Garo, appeared alongside attorney Shin Seuk, representing law firm Buyu, to hold a surprise press conference. The reason: the attempted murder of the whistleblower and the family's desperate plea to make the truth public before it could be buried forever. "We didn't want to interfere with the June 3rd presidential election," Kim's son said grimly. "But someone almost died. The family begged us. Release something now before they silence him for good." Kim confirmed the attack had taken place, identified the victim as the person in possession of the recording, and made a chilling allegation. The assailants were a Korean national and a Chinese national of Korean descent who had entered the U.S. through JFK Airport 5 days before the attack. The implication that this was a premeditated international hit job, orchestrated with the sole intent of silencing Mr. K before the recording could go public. FBI takes over the case. Due to the nature of the crime and the international connections of the suspects, the case has now been taken over by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI. According to Attorney Bu, American law enforcement has already classified the incident as attempted murder with the intent to obstruct justice and is now treating it as a federal case of conspiracy and targeted violence. "This is no longer just a matter of Korean entertainment," Bu stated. "This is international crime, and if anyone, including celebrities, is found to have commissioned or supported this attack, They will be held accountable under U.S. law. While Kim Soo-hyun has not been arrested or formally charged, sources inside the Korean investigative community have confirmed that he is now under official scrutiny. His connection to Kim Se-ron, his name appearing in the recording, and the timing of the attack all form a constellation of red flags investigators can no longer ignore. Analysts say that if the voice in the tape is verified to be his, and if it includes any implication of silencing or pressuring the whistleblower, Kim could face a barrage of legal consequences both in Korea and abroad, including conspiracy to commit attempted murder, witness intimidation, and obstruction of justice. What was once an untouchable image, a man seen as Korea's most wholesome, pure-hearted actor, may now be on the verge of irreversible collapse. Multiple insiders have come forward suggesting that Kim Soo-hyun may not be the only high-profile name mentioned in the full 5-minute recording. There are whispers of other top actors, CEOs, and agency heads being implicated in unethical or illegal behavior ranging from coercion to information suppression. As pressure mounts for full disclosure, questions swirl. Was Kim Soo-hyun merely a pawn or one of the masterminds? Kim Se-ron's alleged role victim or witness? Conspicuously absent from the headlines since the initial press conference is Kim Se-ron herself. The actress, who has faced a rocky public road since her own legal issues surfaced, now finds herself in a morally complex position. There is growing belief that the actress may soon appear under police protection, or may even testify publicly, especially if the case escalates into criminal court proceedings involving international suspects and attempted murder charges. Global attention, Korean scandal, international consequences. With the involvement of the FBI, this case has now captured global media attention. International outlets are beginning to follow the developments closely, with headlines appearing in the US, Japan, and Europe about the K-drama star and murder plot. Legal experts are calling it one of the most serious cases of whistleblower retaliation in modern entertainment history. If this were Hollywood, the fallout would be seismic, one LA based lawyer commented. And this has all the hallmarks of a Hollywood-level conspiracy: money, fame, fear, and a possible hit job on foreign soil. International human rights organizations are also watching the case closely, citing freedom of expression and the protection of whistleblowers as urgent concerns. The whistleblower's recovery. Will he speak again? As of this writing, Mr. K remains in intensive care in a New Jersey hospital. Medical professionals say he is stable, but heavily sedated and unable to communicate in full. Whether he will survive long enough and recover enough to testify remains uncertain, but according to those closest to him, he made one request before losing consciousness after the attack. Don't let them erase me. Don't let them erase the truth. His family, devastated but determined, has vowed to fight for full disclosure of the 90-minute recording. A legal team has been assembled in the United States to ensure that the tape is released to investigators, journalists, and eventually the public. The countdown begins. Will the full recording be released? A key point in the unfolding drama is the recording itself. Only a few minutes of it were played at the press conference, but what lies in the rest of the tape could either vindicate or condemn Kim Soo-hyun and many others. Lawyers for the whistleblower's family have confirmed that multiple encrypted copies of the recording exist and are stored in secure cloud servers, ready to be published if anything happens to Mr. K, or if attempts are made to suppress the evidence. This is a race against fear. One of the legal advisors said, "Powerful people will try to stop this, but we're prepared. The world will hear the truth." Closing thoughts. The spotlight turns cold. What began as another day in the glamorous world of Korean celebrities has now turned into a haunting cautionary tale of how quickly fame can become a weapon, and how fragile the line between admiration and accusation can be. Kim Soo-hyun, the once infallible star of the screen, now stands at a crossroads. Whether he is guilty or not, his legacy has already been tarnished by association with one of the darkest scandals in entertainment history. And as the nation and the world waits for the tape to surface, one thing becomes chillingly clear. This is no longer about just one actor. This is about truth versus power, and the battle has only just begun. Stay tuned to Red Carpet Revealed for exclusive updates, transcript leaks, expert legal analysis, and interviews. As this unprecedented case continues to unfold, case continues